Hello students, now we will talk about public deposit. First of all, meaning of deposit. Deposit is meant any amount of money which a company receives as deposit and includes the money taken by company as loans which a company receives as a deposit. Now, prohibition on acceptance of deposits from public. Number 1. On and after the commencement of this act, no company shall invite, accept or renew deposits under this act from the public, except in a manner provided under section 73. No company shall invite or accept deposits. Nothing in this section shall apply to a banking company. Section 73 जो कहता है this is not applied to a banking company and not banking financial company as defined in Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. This is RBI Act 1934. तो यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं कि बैंकिंग कंपनी और नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल कंपनी के केस में अप्लाई नहीं होगा. And to such other company as the central government may, after consultation with RBI, specify in this behalf. Second, a company may, subject to the passing of a resolution in general meeting. देखिए, रेजोल्यूशन पास होगा इन जनरल मीटिंग and subject to such rules as may be prescribed in consultation with Reserve Bank of India. Accept deposits from its members on such terms and conditions, including the provision of security, if any, or for the repayment of such deposit with interest. देखिए, repay भी होगा with interest as may be agreed upon between the company and members. देखें, agreement होगा company and members के बीच में subject to the fulfillment of following conditions. इन conditions को fulfill करने के बाद तो ये कौन सी conditions रहेंगी? First one is issuance of a circular to its members, including there in a statement. Issue होगा circular all of its members. Statement रहेगी showing the financial position of company. तो statement में क्या statement किसके regarding रहेगी? फाइनेंशियल पोजीशन जो है कंपनी की वो शो करेगी. देन फाइलिंग अ कॉपी ऑफ द सर्कुलर along with such statement with the registrar. Filing a copy of the circular along with such statement with the registrar within 30 days before the date of issue of the circular. Okay, statement होगी with the registrar, फाइल की जाएगी a copy with registrar and टाइम क्या रहेगा within 30 days before the date of issue of the circular. Next one is depositing such sum which shall not be less than 15%. कितना अमाउंट होना चाहिए? Not less than 15% of the amount of its deposits maturing during a financial year. And financial year next following and kept in a scheduled bank in a separate bank account to be called as deposit repayment reserve account. It is called deposit repayment reserve account. Next one is providing security, if any, for the due repayment of the amount of deposit. For the due repayment of the amount of deposit or the interest thereon, including the creation of such charge on property or assets of the company. देखें, दिस इज़ द पॉइंट कि जब जनरल मीटिंग में पास किया जा रहा है रेजोल्यूशन, तो ये कंडीशंस फुलफ़िल करने के बाद ही हम देखेंगे कि इसको प्रोसीड किया जाए. नेक्स्ट वन इज every deposit accepted by a company shall be repaid with interest in accordance with terms and conditions of the agreement. Then every deposit shall be repaid. Next one is where a company fails to repay the deposits or part thereof or any interest thereon. यहाँ पर हम बोल रहे हैं कि कंपनी अगर नहीं रीपे कर पाती है, इट्स फेलिंग इन टू रीपे और पार्ट देयर ऑफ और एनी इंटरेस्ट देयर ऑन, द डिपॉजिटर कंसर्न्ड मे अप्लाई टू द ट्रिब्यूनल. ओके, तो डिपॉजिटर जो है वो ट्रिब्यूनल के पास अप्लाई कर सकता है फॉर एन ऑर्डर डायरेक्टिंग द कंपनी टू pay some due or for any loss or damage incurred by him as a result of such non-payment and for such other orders as tribunal may deem fit. ओके, मीन्स के डिपॉजिटर जो है वो ट्रिब्यूनल के पास जा सकता है अगर उसे रीपे नहीं किया गया है कंपनी के द्वारा. The next one is deposit repayment reserve account shall not be used by the company for any purpose other than repayment of deposits. फिर से सुने, deposit repayment reserve account shall not be used by the company for any purpose other than repayment of deposits. This is section 73. Okay, this is about public deposit. Then we will talk about acceptance of deposits from public by certain companies. यहाँ हम certain companies की बात कर रहे हैं. A public company having such net worth or turnover as may be prescribed may accept deposits from persons other than its members. Public company having such net worth or turnover as may be prescribed may accept deposits from persons other than its members. देखिए, जो मेंबर नहीं हैं उनके अलावा से भी एक्सेप्ट किया जा सकता है, subject to compliance with the requirements provided in subsection 2 of section 73. तो please read section 73 properly and subject to such rules as the central government may in consultations with the Reserve Bank of India. हाँ जी, provided that such a company shall be required to obtain the rating. Rating is including its net worth, liquidity and ability to pay its deposits on due date. Net worth रहेगा, liquidity रहेगी and ability to pay its deposits. And हम बात कर रहे हैं on due date. From a recognized credit rating agency for informing the